Sign.
Honk if you're happy. Okay.
Let Avid hold it up.
No, I'm the one saying it. You have.
Oh, we'll hold it up.
Honk if you're happy.
Jing, hold this side because I'm recording. Honk if you're happy. No cars yet. We'll manage. Yay! Yes, I'm doing more. Coming back. Oh, he's not. Jing, come.
Honk if you're happy. 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 Honk if you're happy.
Ah!
You're happy. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy.
Yeah!
Happy.
Honk if you're happy. Tally marks already. Up. Show it up.
Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy.
Yay! You guys need to say yay when they do it. Yeah, waiting in the burning hot sun for somebody. Say this, we've only got 4. Honk if you're happy! Yay! Guys, they did it off camera. They did it very late, but we have 6 so far. Now we're gonna do something off. We're gonna ding dong dish off camera because we're waiting on some cars, and then we'll come straight back. If you're happy, honk! Oh my God! Honk if you're happy!
Honk if
Yeah!
Well, we have 9 people. We need one more.
I want to do more than 10
made this about Jeremiah.
I've got no idea how we got 9, but let's just go with it.
Best friend.
Honk!
Honk if you're happy.
Yay!
Ray didn't look like he was happy at all.
I know!
Happy.
Honk if you're happy!
Honk if you're happy.
Yay!
Happy. Hey, Carly. Oh, I hate houses when they don't come out.
You need to wait.
They probably didn't hear you because you get so quiet. Yes, you did. You do it like that. Good. Hard. We'd make the whole house vibrate. Guys, look him up.
Can you stop?
Quick. If
2 times. That was loud.
I found instant wins.
Where? Those aren't instant ones.
They are.
Oh, they are.
This one
Small cafe coffee tea.
Ooh, 205.
They're obviously not home.
Oh, then do a different house.
Is there cameras?
The boy came out.
Somebody came out. He just banged it. Why did he bang it?
That's Joshua's friend.
His mum came out. Gee, move. Move. Hurry.
Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of totally air. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
The door's open.
That window's open.
No. Yeah. Not like anyone's even home.
How do you know?
They usually have a car outside. I don't think that was hard enough.
It was, bro. That hurt my hand. Shall I do in a different house?
Yeah.
The door's open and they have a doorbell.
No, just do it. Just do it. Just say F it and then do it. Let's go like this. F it. Boom, boom, boom.
I'll
And
do
then,
another one.
fine. Oh yeah, that house.
I have that real one.
You do. Did you do it?
They have that see-through door. And I'm pretty sure I saw someone sitting in the lounge room or something. And I think they saw me. Another house. We need to do more up here.
Yeah.
What, do you want me to do that one?
The one that we just did.
No, with the red garage.
There's nobody there.
No, I swear I saw someone go like that. They were like in there.
Oh. David, don't be wussy cat.
What I said, wussy cat?
David!
She's doing that. See, that's why I'm scared of the window. That door. Door. That door.
No.
Where did it go?
I know. This ain't even knocking no more. This is tap, tap and run. This isn't even knocking, it's tap, tap and run.
I did.
To see.